Taking good care of your coffee maker will allow it to serve you for a very long time. The Fresh Brew coffee maker is easy to clean and maintain. Use a soft brush and kitchen detergent to clean the inside of the carafe. Make sure not to use harsh chemicals or bleach, as they will corrode the stainless steel and the heat retention will be lost. If the coffee stains are difficult to remove, use Zojirushi stainless steel bottle cleaner. Put 2 packets of the cleaning solution in the carafe and fill with warm water. Leave the lid open and let sit for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and rinse with warm water. You may also use other stainless steel coffee pot cleaners. Be sure to follow the directions on the package. Wash the lid with a soft sponge and kitchen detergent and rinse. Remove the brewing basket and wash thoroughly with kitchen detergent and a soft sponge. Rinse well and dry completely. Hold the bottom of the brewing basket to allow water to flow through while rinsing. Wipe the rest of the body with a damp cloth. Don't forget to clean the nozzle with a clean towel too. A clean coffee maker will brew better tasting coffee. Make sure to keep your Fresh Brew coffee maker clean for the best tasting coffee.